some festive decorations. Ignore this thing, it's the GoPro for POV videos I'm about to record. But yeah, we did some festive stuff because we're going to our Christmas party tonight. This looks really awesome when it's nighttime. They're really bright, but right now you can kind of barely see them. Put little ribbons. We had the deer antlers, but I just took them off for now because we're just getting gas, and they don't stay too well with the polycarbonate windows and the little gay nose. So yeah, we're just gonna mob around town, I guess. I need to get gas for the car and other miscellaneous crap, so. Fine though, but the gray one is not fine. I got it. You're fine, Oh. $38 to fill up a car. That's wonderful. Oh no, the gas tank works. Has a nighttime mode, but definitely can see the lights, but I don't know if we can see anything else.